good, YouTube? Kid.com coming to you today. Today, just wanted to give you guys a channel update. What I got going on, and posted in a couple months and stuff. But moving my stuff out of the garage unit. My Mazda is at the house right now. So yeah, just getting everything sorted to take out of here before the end of the month. Letting the storage unit go. Kind of charging me too much for no power outlet, so they're kind of slowing down my work process. Yeah, so taking things to the house with it, man. Gonna be in the parking lot, working on the car now, until I'll figure something else out. So yeah, this kind of our last month with the storage space, and since I last recorded, I moved cribs as well. So gonna do some parking lot working, cause hell, that's what majority everybody want to see. People want to see you come up on YouTube. They want to see a story almost. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I get back home. Just want to give you guys a good update. What's been going on. Beam still looking good, man. Thinking about doing drivetrain swap though, honestly. But yeah, definitely get back to you guys when I make it back home. Try to catch it before the sun go down. Give you guys a little driving footage, man. Channel update. It's been a couple months. I haven't gave up on the project. I know most people see dead end project both of these cars. That's why my name most hated. Two of the most hated groups of cars you can own in the community. The sky looks amazing today. So yeah, made it back. Yeah, so be working in the parking lot now. Yeah, trying to make some real progress this year, man. Move the channel. Yeah, I mounted the intercooler since I last talked with you guys. I posted it on some of my community stuff, but she's mounted pretty even. We're probably gonna have to make a custom under tray to guide the air up under the intercooler directly to the radiator. But yeah, man, making content right here, man, outside the house. So yeah, see where this take me this year, man. And some parts coming in for her next week, so we'll have some monster content next week. tackling the manifold for the turbo. And after that, we'll be pulling the motor the next couple weeks after that to send it off. So it's kind of been a busy schedule, but we here. Both of them need cleaning. I know, but see you guys next time, and see you later.